Subscribe to HMTMCSE and click to bell icon.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hi there, this is Tawhid Mia again from HMTMCSE.com. In this tutorial, we will cover Python programming language, environment preparation, and then we will install a IDE for development. For that, we will follow our instruction from HMTMCSE.com. I already opened this instruction from here. I will give that instruction to video description so that you guys can find this tutorial easily. For the first time, we have to do that download the Python SDK from your for your operating system. Let's click this link. It will open the download location. Internet getting little bit slower. Okay, here we are seeing that the download available for Python 3.9.5. It also available for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Here we are using Windows, that's why we will going to download this Windows version. If I click on this download Python, it will start downloading. Start a download. It downloaded. I don't know why it getting faster. So I already downloaded the Python 3.9.5 here. So I'm going to install this Python. For that, here we are waited until the complete. Now we have to double click on the exe file. Let's double click on it. Here it's saying that the installation, customization, or normal installation, we will use the normal installation with the add Python to path, so that we can easily access Python from our command prompt. Now clicking on install now, it asked me to Windows permission. It started installation process. We have to wait little bit for complete the installation. Just now the installation was successful. Here you are seeing the setup was successful. Now I'm going to close that window. Let me click on close. This way we successfully installed the Python development SDK Python development kit. So now we are going to test that Python version. For that I'm clicking on start, finding the CMD. Now I have to type the code Python python -- version. Okay, see, now it's showing the Python version 3.9.5. This way we are able to install the Python successfully. Now we are going to install IDE for development. For here I'm clicking on IDE or editor. See, this is the step-by-step process for IDE installation. We will going to use PyCharm for Python development, because it's very popular currently. We also can use the visual code editor, but we are here using the Python PyCharm Community Edition. For that, if I click on this link, it will show us the PyCharm download panel. It has a two version. The professional version, it paid version. So if you download that the professional version, you have to active the license. For our purpose, we will going to use the community edition. If you are using Mac, Linux, or Windows, then you can choose different files. We are using Windows, that's why I'm selected the Windows, clicking on download here. It will start the download process. Okay, it will started download process. I'm canceling this download because I already downloaded the PyCharm Community Edition here. Now let's follow the instruction. We have to double click the exe file. I'm double clicking on this here. Okay, it asked for permission. It's came for Windows and pressed yes. Now wait a bit. Okay, here we have to press the next for next version. Here if we want, then we can change the location. In this section we are adding the 64-bit launcher so that it will create a 64-bit launcher in our desktop. Clicking on next. This is the menu for PyCharm. Clicking on install. It started install. It will take a little bit time for complete the installation. Let's wait until the installation is finished. The installation process almost finished. Yeah, it finished the installation process. Now going to click on finish, but I'm clicking on this run PyCharm Community Edition so that the PyCharm will pop up. Okay, clicked on finished. It going to start. Okay, we don't want to import anything. It taking a little bit time for initialization. Yeah, this is the community edition panel. So now we can create new project, open project, and we also can get the project from VCS, that means Git or something others. This way we successfully created our Python development environment and also install the IDE. In next tutorial we will start Python programming for Learn Python.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.